Welcome back. We will be doing this mystery Booster Bricks box.
Today we will be unboxing the Booster Bricks mystery box. Ooh. You never know what you're gonna get inside.
Yeah.
Get a piece of paper.
Read it. Or
Says,
if you don't want to read it, just don't read it.
how about I just show the camera real quick? When do you get there?
I wonder what this is. Oh, it's orange.
Oh, cool.
Never seen that. Come on. Get out of the bag. Whoa, I've never seen this either.
That's cool. It's a little pot.
So, hot dog. Cherry. No, carrot.
Karen.
Cherry.
You
Ice cream.
gotta hold it up to the camera.
Ice cream. Cherry. Hot dog. Popsicle. Oh yeah. I have no idea what these are.
They look like pans.
2 pans. 2 chicken. Carrots. Carrot.
This is a cherry chicken carrot, by the way. Just thought you should know that.
No.
Yeah, cherry chicken carrot.
And then a chicken leg.
Yeah.
A plate. Another plate.
Ooh, a blue plate. Okay, let's dig into these bags.
Yeah. Stick. How you stick together, bro? Why do I have to rip you, bro? That's why I have scissors.
Be careful not to cut any Lego. Shake the bag down a little bit.
So, that first one has a base plate.
Cool.
Long one. I've never seen one of those long ones. Ooh. Another long base plate thingy.
Oopsie.
What?
I said oopsie. Another shell.
Just throw this thing. That's a good idea. Not. What?
That's a Star Wars piece.
Mini
lots-
volcano.
Yeah, lots of transparent pieces. That's
I've
a
never
big
seen
piece.
this. I don't think this is even a Lego.
It probably is.
Ah!
Moving on.
There's still more stuff. Ready? There's one more thing. I just gotta grab it.
Oops, sorry. Yep, it's Lego.
Window.
Looks like it belongs to a submarine.
Window. This thingy, I have no idea.
Yep.
This stand-up thingy.
Yeah.
Then
A castle piece.
castle piece, and then a pod.
Cool. Okay. Is that everything in that bag?
Yep.
Next bag.
This is actually built, too.
Yep, that's cool.
I thought this just came together, but it didn't. I have a feeling something's big in here. You
Yeah.
can feel it. Look it. Feel this. Plump.
Oh, yeah, it is a plump bag.
If you're wondering what plump means, fat. It means the same thing as fat.
Don't cut your fingers, please. You know, you should cut away from yourself, not toward yourself.
Ooh. That's the big plump piece we found.
Yep, that's cool.
Wait, we found... This is the other plump piece. Boat.
A boat.
Race car thingy.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a plump thing.
Yeah, another piece of boat.
Is there another That's just a piece of boat.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, you said another piece.
Well, we have lots of them.
Ready for the long piece?
I'm ready. Ah. What else we got in there?
Look how long this pole is. I've never seen a pole this long. Bro.
It's a column.
It's a pole. It's corn polio.
Well, that's cool. Let me see that one.
Drawer. Drawer.
Yeah, a drawer.
Definitely Star Wars.
Interesting little piece. Star Wars, maybe, or a
Bushy.
spaceship.
Bush. Okay, last two things. Windshield, and then this piece. Whatever it is. This one's actually kind of plump on one side.
Careful not to cut Lego.
Then,
Put your scissors down.
you might be surprised about this one.
Oh, it's a set. A poly bag. Ooh.
With just base plates for it.
Very cool. Got anything else in there?
Yes.
Ooh.
Lightsabers. And one more thing. An old guy.
That one's cool. It's one we don't have.
Yeah.
The ones we have
Can
are
I
up
build
here.
these lightsabers? Mama?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
So you can add him to the stash.
Mama, this is a yellow one, so it's rare.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
See? You just never know what you're going to get
Yeah.
in a Booster Bricks mystery box. All these wonderful goodies. And even a new goodie.
We've never seen. I'm just making sense right here. Gold should go with yellow.
Well, yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me see.
Here.
Pretty sweet looking lightsaber you got going on.
It's better this way.
Yeah.
Because it fits better.
Well, this is what we got.
My grandpa's out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Until next time.
See ya.
See ya.